Notice the unique asymmetrical layout. Fine embroidery details stand out here. Vibrant borders enhance the three-quarter sleeves. Study the side slit and flow. Welcome to this premium fashion design showcase. Study the unique tailoring and structure. The embroidery features vibrant floral motifs. Notice the perfect color block construction, featuring identical vertical floral embroidery and a clean round neckline with straight cut sleeves, silhouette, and side slit details. Study this split design kurta. It features precise asymmetrical tailoring. Notice the dense shoulder embroidery. The fit is absolutely perfect. Notice the striking asymmetric design, combining gray and blue fabrics. The intricate floral embroidering uses delicate teal threads. Notice the fabric combination of blue and beige. The asymmetric neckline creates a modern silhouette. Intricate embroidery adds timeless craft. This showcases Study the asymmetric tailoring and fabric combination. The central embroidery features geometric motifs and detailed tassels. Observe the clean sleeve construction and border patterns. Welcome to your luxury fashion inspiration. Study the precise tailoring and neck design details. The asymmetrical cut creates a modern silhouette. Welcome to this premium design showcase. Study this elegant color-blocked kurta. Note the precise geometric and tailored border details, perfect for your next collection.